Hope has arrived at this clinic in La Paz, Bolivia, in the form of Sinovac and Sinopharm vaccines from China. Bolivia, like other Latin American countries, has been ravaged by COVID-19. China says it plans to provide vaccines to 53 countries, including many in Latin America, and to make inoculation accessible and affordable. President Joe Biden says he is focusing on getting the vaccines to all eligible Americans before exporting it. But his administration is increasingly facing questions about why the U.S. is not sharing its vaccine supplies with its neighbors, especially warehoused doses of the AstraZeneca shot, which has not been approved for use in the United States. Now, the White House says the administration plans to share some doses of AstraZeneca first with neighbors Canada and Mexico.
I can confirm that we have 7 million releasable doses available of AstraZeneca. 2.5 million of those we are working to finalize plans to lend those to Mexico, and 1.5 million to Canada.
Experts say China's much larger scale sharing of medical supplies after the pandemic originated in Wuhan has given Beijing a diplomatic boost and also soft power leverage in Mexico, Brazil, and other developing nations.
China has been able to contain the pandemic within its borders more effectively than the United States and other Western democracies have. That means there's less demand for the vaccine in China, and it gives the Chinese government more breathing room to send vaccines abroad.
But Secretary of State Antony Blinken, while visiting Asia, cautioned there are strings attached to China's medical diplomacy. And most experts agree there is nothing soft about China's approach.
The way the Chinese are handling the vaccine distribution is not from a real magnanimous humanitarian attitude, but a pretty aggressive approach that essentially demands that Huawei get access to telecommunications auctions in Latin America, that Taiwan be held at arm's length throughout the region.
Biden says he wants all American adults to be able to register for a vaccine by May 1st. And he hopes people will be able to safely gather in small groups again for the July 4th U.S. Independence Day holiday. Experts say once that happens, the U.S. will likely become a major exporter of vaccines around the world. Cindy Sain, VOA News.